Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Advaith Pillai, and today we'll be continuing our Python basics course, and this is going to be the part 8. And today we'll be looking at the logical operators. Okay guys, so now let's begin. So the first logical operator we'll be looking at today is the logical AND operator. Okay guys, so this is the logical AND operator. It gives true when two values are true. It does not necessarily mean two values, but it will give the output true if all the values in a code is true. So for an example, if we take a is equals to 2 less than 3, which is true, and then b is equals to 7 greater than 5, and then if we print c is equals to a and b, and then if we print c now, as you guys can see, the answer is true because A's value is true and B's value is true. And operators returns the value true when the mentioned variables values are true. Okay guys. Now if we take, it says that 5 is greater than 7. Now if we run it now, as you guys can see, it says false because only one of the values is true and the other one is not true. Okay guys. Now let's look at the next logical operator, which is the logical OR operator. It gives true when at least one value is true. So for example, if we have two values and one of them is false and one of them is true, the output will be true. Okay guys, because we are using the logical OR operator. It only looks at any one of the values which is true. So if we say A or B, in this example we know that A is true and 5 is false. So let's see what the answer is. As you guys can see, the output is true because A is true but B is false, but it only looks at any one. If any one of the values are true, the main answer will be true. If we take 7 is greater than 5, it will print true again because like when the iteration goes on, it first of all looks at the A's value, and A's value is 2 is less than 3, which is true, so the output is true. Okay, if the second value is also true, the output will still be true, and also if the second value is false, the output will still be true. If we say now 4 is less than 3 and 10 is greater than 100, now if we run this, the answer is false because none of the values are true. Okay guys, so this is how it works. Now the last but not the least logical operator is the logical NOT operator. It gives the opposite of the given value. Okay, let's take an example and say that let's take a variable A and give it the value 1 is greater than 0. If we print A, now we'll take another variable and now we'll use the NOT operator, not A. And now if we print B, as you guys can see, the answer is false because NOT operator gives the opposite of the given value, and the given value is 1 is greater than 0, which is true, so the answer will be false. Now if we say 0 is greater than 1, and if we run it now, it says true because 0 is the value in A is false and B is not A, so the answer is true. Okay guys, so this was all about logical operators. I hope you loved this video. So this is the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye guys, and stay safe.